Your next car could be the 2021 GMC Sierra. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take every journey in stride in this capable, well-equipped Sierra. Whether you're towing, hauling, or managing the everyday demands of your busy life, you can count on this brawny, full-size pickup to get the job done right. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, premium sound system, power passenger seat, bed liner, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control. Stop dreaming and start living. This handsome Sierra won't last long. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.